Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Dutch. In this German for Beginners A1 course, lesson 12b, we are going to learn the counting of numbers in German from 21 to 40. And I'm your mentor Joseph Bolt will be with you and together we will try to learn. And before we proceed, please watch the video carefully, and counting numbers in German is a matter of trick and it's really easy. In order to learn German or Deutsch properly and also to complete A1 course, we need to know them. So, let's start. And today we will start from 21 as we have completed till 20 in our previous lesson. Okay. 21. In German we say 21. Here ein means 1, und means and, 20 means 20. So 21 means 1 and 20, which means 21 altogether. And there should be no spaces between. I just made it to make it clear to you. So 21 means 21 and it's 20. This is the correct pronunciation. Try more and more and this pronunciation will be correct for you too. And further, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 30. And we have completed from 21 to 30. And now we are just going to learn from 31 to 40. And just remember this 30 will be used. 31. 31. And as you can see, here's also 1 and 30 means 1 and 30, which means 31. 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40. And congratulations, now you know the numbers from 21 to 40 with the spelling and German pronunciation. And the numbers are the same as English and in German too. And if you go deep, then all the numbers are in the same order. 31, 21, etc. Annors. Please practice properly and contact me on the comment box if you face any problem. If you have missed our previous lesson, then check it from the end screen and from the description too. And I hope you all will be with German Lehrer and watch our next video. Subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.